In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color on your Wix website in just a few simple steps. We'll walk through the process together, ensuring that you can customize your website to perfectly match your brand's color scheme or personal aesthetic. So let's dive right in and get started. First and foremost, you need to navigate to the Wix website editor. If you haven't already logged into your Wix account, go ahead and do that now. Once logged in, locate the My Sites section. From here, select the specific site you want to work on. This will open up the Wix editor, your gateway to making all those exciting changes to your website. Now that you're in the editor, let's find the text you wish to modify. This could be anything from headings, subheadings to body text. Simply click on the text box and you'll see the text highlighted. This essentially tells you that the item is selected and ready for editing. If your website is packed with lots of text, take your time to ensure you've selected the correct block. This will save you from any potential headaches later. Once your desired text is selected, look for the text settings menu on the right side of your screen. This toolbox provides a myriad of options for adjusting how your text looks and behaves. You should notice a paint bucket icon or the word color listed among these options. This is your ticket to changing your text color. Go ahead and click on this color changing icon. This will bring up a color palette where you can explore different hues and shades. Here you have an array of preset colors, but if you don't find a color that speaks to you, don't worry. You're also afforded the option to customize your own color. Perhaps you have a specific color code in mind. Wix allows you to enter this directly for a precise match. Whether you want to go for a bold red, a calming blue, or anything in between, this is your moment to infuse your personality or brand identity into your site. Once you've picked the perfect color, take a moment to admire your work. You should see the text change color right in front of your eyes. It's always a good idea to preview your site to ensure your changes are aesthetically pleasing and readable. Remember, your goal is to attract and maintain your visitors' attention, so make sure the colors complement each other well. And there it is, you've successfully learned how to change text color on your Wix website. Customizing text color can have a significant impact on your site's visual appeal, and it's one of the simplest yet effective ways to make your web pages stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.